So the journey really brought me to a place to understanding how powerful art was as a vehicle for healing, not just me as the practitioner, but healing the community. Because I now have a trade, which is a part of that AI conversation where we have to kind of focus in our community on trades, less about basketball, less about some of the other things that's been promoted to our children, and more about the functional trades that society have not replaced yet, that might not replace for a while. Because who
Mm.
knows? Maybe at some point there'll be a robot that could wire your house. Because they do have robots that can get into that are being used by corporations and the military that get into small places that now do things. Of course, you have aerial photography, which used to be something that only helicopter pilots and specialized photographers could supply. Now you just throw a drone up in the sky and you can follow, bikes on a Tour de France or, you know, high speed, car racing.
Mm.
Um, So it's it's been an interesting journey to maximizing, I guess, the skill set and coming across brothers like yourself, and especially New Seed, where we bonded and had those conversations.